I'm Hiroshi Hamatani from Asprova Japan. Uh, Hello, Minda people. I visited 3 or 4 times Minda factories nearby New Delhi. Uh, I believe Asprova will improve your factories. First of all, our client amounts to 3,446 factories in 48 countries. Asprova is world #1 production scheduler. The bottoms are our client. You get fluctuating various demands. Honda, Suzuki, other groups such as first, second, third, and 6 months, 1 month, blah blah blah. Very complicated. You are making probably daily production schedule like this from forecasting, fluctuating demands, orders, considering inventory. Asprova also has this spreadsheet type scheduling chart like a company forecast, production remaining on June, first day, second day. Excel or ERP can do this, but not enough. What's the problem? DX or IoT are revealing the problems. By IoT or DX, many factories have found out a lot of no work time. When they add all, they often amount to 1 month. So factories with 12 machines could have covered with 11 machines. They buy Asprova to make finite and correct schedule before other machine. Excel or others will not do it.